Hey everybody, how you doing? I am sitting here waiting for the president's alert to go off on my phone. Got about 5 more minutes before it goes off. And it's 2:13 right now. Got about 5 more minutes before the alert goes off. And it'll be from the President of the United States. It's something new that they're going to be doing just in case this country ever gets attacked by somebody out there. Don't know who would do it, but there's countries that want to come after us, that's for sure. They get tired of us trying to tell them what to do and not what to do. And I don't blame them neither. So they get tired of us being over in their countries. They don't come over here and tell us what to do. But we go over there and tell those countries what to do. They don't, well, they'll pay the price. And then it gets them mad at us. It gets them mad big time at us. And I'm just sitting here waiting. And I encourage any of you out there that let me know in the comment box if your phone goes off. I got about 4 more minutes before the alert system hits or goes off. Got about 4 more minutes in counting. But yeah, let me know if your phone goes off. I'd like to know if your phone goes off. Leave a comment below. Let me know. But yeah, it's going to be like a Amber Alert, I'm sure. Got about 3 more minutes. 3 more minutes and counting before the president's alert goes off. I hope, they won't need to use it. I'm really hoping that they won't need to use it. But, like I say, just don't know about other countries right now. Who we got pissed off, and I know a lot of them still want to come after us. I got about 2 more minutes. Let's see if it will go off today. I say it's supposed to go off on everybody's phone. But yeah, if it goes off in your phone, let me know. Drop a comment. Let me know. Just curious if it will be going off on your phone. Still 2:17. Should go off any minute. Soon. Still 2:17. Still waiting for the alert system to go off. It's 2:18. Nothing's happening to my phone. Yeah, my phone. Oh, there we go. This is a test of the National Wireless Emergency Alert System. No action is needed. Yep, mine went off. Emergency alert. This is a test of the National Wireless Emergency Alert System. No action is needed. Type President Alert. Yeah, mine went off. How about any of yours? If yours went off, let me know in the comment box. If yours went off, but mine went off. Well, everyone, I want to say thanks for watching. Again, put it down in the comment box if yours went off. And y'all take care. Have a good one. And this vlog is over.